What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to update your N8N through Hostinger and the quickest way possible. So let's get right into it. So first we're going to pull up to our N8N platform, and as you can see I have two updates. So we're going to install the latest version. I'm self-hosted through Hostinger through a VPS, so what you're going to want to do in Hostinger is actually come over to the private server and then come over to the server that you're running N8N on. And then we're going to go ahead and manage the app. Excuse me, we're going to go ahead and enter the browser terminal. Okay guys, so once you're in the terminal here, we're going to install, enable, and then download the latest Docker. So I'm going to type out the code with you guys here, just so we can do it together. So bear with me. Can't remember this off the top of my head, so let's see here. System restart required. Okay, so then we'll restart and do a system reboot with this code: systemctl enable -- now docker. So this will do a system reboot here. You may, there we go. Okay, it's doing a system restart. All right, and now we will download the latest N8N. So go docker compose. Oh, it's still doing its thing. Okay, there we go. So docker compose, and then we'll pull and download the latest N8N. Docker compose pull N8N. There we go. I don't know, I must have did a typo there. So let's wait for this to download. But right now we're downloading the latest version, latest N8N Docker image. Probably about 20 seconds or something like that. It's taking a bit longer than I expected, honestly. But that's the game. So, okay, there we go. Pull is complete. So now we are going to remove the existing N8N Docker. So with that, we'll just do docker compose down, and this should remove the previous version. So let's see here. The attribute version is obsolete. Okay. Let's deploy the next version here. So this one will actually be deploying the newly pulled image. So let's run that. Let's see here. Okay, so we just removed the previous version and just ran the new Docker image. So from here, we will just confirm that it is running. Let's see here. But what I'm going to do is just see what the version is now. So go Docker. Okay guys, so that worked. We just pulled the new image, confirmed that it was running, and then we actually just checked the version there. So I just couldn't, a lot of the stuff gets mixed up in the code here, but 1.95-3. So if we come over to our workflow, you can see that there's no more updates. So there you have it. That's how you update N8N on Hostinger. I will leave the code down below, and hopefully you guys were able to follow through with that. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.